Cameroon, Bandu, Africa, Bandu, to the world, Bandu.
Brenda Biya na Paul Biya e pikin. Brenda Biya Paul Biya e pikin talk say he no be Cameroonian. It happen na how? It be the answer some person wey writing for social media for the tell you say you know say you be president e pikin. Your attitude for social media not fine. If I say me you correct the attitude, he answer the person say he no be Cameroonian. Say he no be Cameroonian. Say he be French citizen. Now so Brenda Biya don't answer that person. So if Brenda Biya na French citizen and then Cameroonian at the same time, if French citizen how? Because if papa na Biya, so Paul Biya too be French citizen if Brenda get French nationality. Because if they tell you say Brenda if mommy na French woman way, if papa na French man way na white man because Santa Biya a papa na white man, it correct. But Chantal Biya don't marry president, so na Cameroon president. So it means say Chantal Biya when a French woman don't marry Cameroon president, Cameroon president I don't take nationality, I don't turn a French person. Wait for Cameroon, law it deny dual nationality. Law no they accept any two concern double nationality. How it come say Brenda be French citizen, then papa na only Cameroon citizen, or that palaver for dual citizenship na scam. Now way for say me they move different people them. Me they no enter politics, me they no do politics. Because you want to do politics, you must be na only Cameroon, you must get only Cameroon nationality. See Brenda now, where he talk with the whole world. Say he no be Cameroon citizen, he be French citizen. Now another scandal that the way Paul Biya since 43 years for power. No man will fit talk, he control all things. No man will fit talk that one. The opposition people, no one will talk up. Because if we don't have a normal country, they will condemn that hypocrisy. Plenty people in the country they get dual nationality. Plenty. They do for opposition, they do for power. So why not just open up, say, any Cameroonian, if you get any nationality, we like, but you don't go lost in Cameroon nationality. Why they not put that so? Why not only some particular people, they feel they don't go get double nationality, and then so why they get double nationality? And even then say for the country, minister them. Minister they get double nationality. Plenty minister they get double nationality. Why una fit get double nationality and then una dey against double nationality? Now the question that I ask myself, and all we for good faith we supposed to ask ourselves that question. So Brenda Biya don't boss that balloon wey water be dey for that double nationality palaver. For tell we clearly say na hypocrisy they make they talk say this so and you don't get dual nationality, double nationality. If you get double nationality, you lost Cameroon nationality. Now so it dey. And then people the way they like corruption, they did the bang bang bang, what they did to attach. Now them now they want to accept that thing. Now in that secret don't come out they all double nationality palaver. Now so the thing it dey.
Cameroon, Bandu, Africa, Bandu, to the world.